first with the movers and shakers of the day. Mangalam, over to you.
Well, the movers and the shakers in today's trading session, we had all the oil and, energy companies, so to say. They did extremely well in today's trading session. So be it something like an ONGC or even the downstream companies like BPCL, the large trade that took place there, HPCL, IOC, Oil India doing well as well, and even, putting gains anywhere between 4 to 7%. But on the downside, we had IT and Pharma. Let's start with the pharmaceutical pack. We had Glenmark, Aurobindo Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, all of them under pressure. Aurobindo, of course, was for its own reasons. And IT as well. Despite the recovery that we saw in late trade, most of the big heavyweight IT stocks actually ended lower. So Infosys was down about 1%. Yes, it did see a bit of a recovery. But even the broader markets, stocks like Coforge, Emphasis, L&T Tech Services ended lower. But those were the few losers that we had in today's trading session. The PSUs, they resumed their up move. Coal India, BHEL, NBCC, Hudco, RITES, all of them ending anywhere between 5 to 7% higher, some even 10%. Metal stocks did extremely well. Nalco was, the top gainer there with a gain of almost 10%. Vedanta did well. News in the second half of trade. We had Tata Steel, NMDC, and Hindustan Copper too. Z was one of the stocks which actually was, the surprise mover of today's trading session. The results were weak. The stock opened lower along with the market, but thereafter the market disregarded the fundamentals and saw a big near 11% recovery from the lows for the stock to end about 6% higher. So maybe something is, underway in Z. So that's the other one. And Nuvama is also the one that gained in double digits on the back of strong results. Some other gainers with good volumes behind them, we had the likes of Jubilant Industries, Jyoti Labs, IRB Infra, Dilip Bincon, and Vodafone Idea.
Okay, all right. Mangalam, thanks a lot for that. Well, let's